The cochlear duct is embedded in reddish or purple stained bone. This coiled duct is sectioned several times to give a set of round profiles through it. You saw this in the previous section. I've selected one turn of the cochlea here. Within the cochlea is the cochlear duct filled with endolymph and a continuum of the sacral within the vestibule I showed you earlier. The spiral organ of Corti projects into the endolymph of the cochlear duct on its lower wall and functions as a sound receptor. This duct is called the scala media, which is the membranous labyrinth with endolymph in it. By being tacked down to the endosteum along two sides, over here and again over here, the cochlear duct divides the perilymph-filled chamber into the space above, the scala vestibule, and the space below, the scala tympani. Both are filled with perilymph and communicate directly with the oval window and the round window respectively. Observe each of the following structures associated with the scala media, namely the organ of Corti, with 3 rows of the important outer hair cells. And there would be one of inner hair cells as well, but it isn't sectioned here. And there's a host of other cells that I won't describe. Look at the basilar membrane and the less important vestibular membrane. The gelatinous tectorial membrane, which the cilia of the hair cells are embedded in. And over here is the stria vascularis. And look very carefully and see if you can see capillaries. They're very faint, aren't they? Running in this epithelium. This epithelium is responsible for secreting endolymph. The spiral ganglion coils around the inner edge of the cochlear duct. Observe the ganglion cells here. It's a sensory ganglion. And you can also find the acoustic nerve fibres extending from the ganglion cells out towards the hair cells in the organ of Corti.